السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. أبناء وبنات طلاب Primary 5. Today we will study the last unit, Unit 5, Statistics, and the first lesson represent data by histogram and the frequency polygon. The first exercise, Magdi and Yasser visited a company to collect some data about daily wages paid for workers. They record the data, formed the following cumulative frequency table with sets. The sets the sets 20, the sets 20, the first group of workers take from 20 pound up to 30 pound, the second take from 30 pound up to 40, the third group take from 40 pounds up to 50, the fourth group take from 50 pounds up to 60, the last group take from 60 pounds up to 70 by the same pattern. The first group formed from 6 workers, 10 workers, 14 workers, 7 workers, and the last group formed from 3 workers, and the total number of workers are 50. Represent data by using frequency polygon. Get your graph and draw this figure and start to draw with me. The first group 10 and 20 and 6. 20 and 6. Take 20 pounds, this 6 group. 20 and 6 المفروض فين؟ هنا. 20 and 6. But in frequency polygon, we put the point to the right half square and write on it 1. The second point 30 and 10, 30 and 10, and go to the right half square, put the point and write 2. Third point 40 and 14, 40 and 14, and go to the right half square and write 3. Last one 50 and 7, 50 and 7, and go to the right half square and write 4. Last one 60 and 3 and 60 and 3, go to the right half square, write in this point 5. Then join between the points, join 1 by 2, join 2 by 3, join 3 by 4, last one join 4 by 5. We will go to represent the data by histogram. Get another graph and draw this figure and start to draw with me. We put the point in the correct positions. Number 1, 20 and 6 exactly, 30 and 10 exactly, 40 and 14 exactly, 50 and 7, and 60 and 6. And then write columns for each point. first column, second, third column, fourth, 5. Then from each point draw one square to the right. Look, from the point draw one square to the right. The point 10, draw one square, line segment, length one square. El point 14, half square. El point 7, half square. El point 3, half square. Then we will complete the missing line segment from 14 and write down line segment. From 7 and draw line segment. Last one from 3 and draw line segment. Then we finished the drawing. This figure called histogram. Number 3, represent data using the pie chart. The following table shows the number of hours that Marwa spends in studying in different subjects in a week. Marwa study Arabic 6 hours, study math 12 hours, study science 3 hours, study English 3 hours. A total number of studying 24 hours per 1 week. Represent data by pie chart. A pie chart draw it using a circle. Get your compass and get your ruler and open compass by open 5 سنتيمتر. يا مستر ما ينفعش 4 سنتيمتر؟ ينفع. ما ينفعش 3 سنتيمتر؟ ينفع. ما ينفعش 7 سنتيمتر؟ ينفع. But 5 سنتيمتر is the original length. بيديك circle it's clear to draw on it. Look with me. Number 1, we make firstly solution before the drawing. We find the fraction that represent each item as the following. The fraction that represent the item A, the value of item A divided the total value of all items. Look with me. Arabic, Marwa study 6 hours from the total hours equal 24. Arabic equal 1/4. Math 12 hours divided 24. Then she studied half time in studying math. Science 1/8 of the time. English 3/24 equal 1/8 of the time. يبقى أول حاجة الماث take half time of studying. Number 2, Arabic take quarter the time of studying. Then science and English. We will go to the drawing. As we say, we open your compass as 5 centimeter and take point in the middle of the page and put the sharpened point of the compass and draw this circle. Then math take half the circle, half the time of studying. Then we right straight line divided the circle into two halves. Arabic take quarter. We divide any half of two halves into two quarters by drawing this line segment. Then science and English, each one take 1/8. Then we divide quarter into two halves by drawing this line segment, and then draw the name of each part. الهاف كان للماث، الكوارتر كان للأرابيك، ال1/8 كان للساينس، and ال1/8 كان للإنجليش. And then we finished the pie chart in the representing data. Thank you for listening and goodbye.